Hi YouTube fans, I'm proudly present my brand new phone. This is the original Samsung Galaxy Note 3. You see, this is the European version. Everybody talks about the SIM lock and something like this. You will see this is only in the first start of the phone when you put in the SIM. You can go with this phone to all countries all over the world after you set the first SIM card in the land you lived. So this is the package. It has LTE, it has a quad-core CPU with approximately 2.3 gigahertz. It has a 5.7-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display, Full HD playback recording. It has 13 megapixel back camera and a 2 megapixel front cam. Surely it has GPS and everything. It has, which is really cool, 3 GB of RAM. So I think it will running very fast. Battery is about 3200 milliamperes, so I think it's enough for the phone. The phone, everybody will know it. I will just try to put the new bag on now, trying to leave it here in a normal way. Wait a moment. So we have just take a look inside the box now here. This is surely the real Samsung. Just take a look. This is the phone. So like you see, this is the brand new style by Samsung. It's not real leather, it's only plastic, but looks really good and has a feeling of leather, I think. So this is the phone. What's in the box too? We have paper here. Okay, we have the short instruction and the manual here. It's in Germany because I live in Germany. So we have a micro USB new double, you see, this is DLNR. Earphone adapters, earphones, we have, I don't know what it is, thing for the SIM card or something like this, I don't know, we have to take a look. And new Samsung batteries inside. So later on, when I will do a review, I will give you more information about this. This is short unboxing. I will show you the phone here, and in order you will see, hope you can see it, this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 2 on my side, on the left side. It is really a little bit only smaller. When you see my latest China phone here, this is the Zoppo ZB99 Zero Captain S. So you will see the Zoppo has 6-inch capacitive touchscreen, and this from the Samsung is 5.7. This is a small difference here, you see, I think. Okay. See you next time on my first review, and bye bye friends. So let's have a look on the first start now of the new Samsung Galaxy Note 3. Like you see, this is the normal startup. We have to do following functions now here. Just have to see a little bit how it works, how smooth it is. That's really cool phone. So I will try to take now my numbers. just start with the first Wi-Fi in moment. Trying to get the Wi-Fi in my home here. Everything should be going on. So we are connected now. So this is the end user license. Surely we have to do it. In this case, I will overflow this and try only one time to log in here. Wait a moment, I will check my password. First start now of the phone. Okay, like you know it, I don't want to receive any advertising by Google. Tries to connect now to the Google Play Store, to the Google account and everything, and just in a few seconds I think we will get the UI. Okay, this is my phone, I hope. Show next. Überspringen. And let's start the first time now. Okay. This is a very, very fine display. So let's have a look inside here. This is the new Galaxy Hub. Everything now here, it's really clear, it's really cool. Just have to take a look in the settings. Settings are like you know it from latest custom ROMs for the Samsungs and from Galaxy S4 here. You see everything you need is on top of the settings now. You can see everything in one point. This is everything about the phone, the gestures, everything you like to do. And take a look to the marketing. We have Android 4.3 now installed. This is the model is the N9005. This is the European LTE version, like you see. We have to take a look here on software update. I think it will update because I heard that yesterday or for 2 days by Sam Mobile there is a new update for receiving here, and after a while I think I will show you in the review what's going on here. Bye bye, have fun.